Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm not talking about generational wealth, making money online, things like that. All right, if you're interested in that, go ahead and tap in. If not, keep it moving. So,
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
With that being said, today I want to talk about YouTube, right? So I'm grateful to have grown my channel to 10,000 subscribers. I could not have done it without you all. And I just want to share a little bit of insight and a few tips. It's real simple, but I know it helped me. And I know y'all can take this stuff and go do a whole lot better than I can with it. Especially for those of you who are maybe at home and not knowing what to do, or maybe you're bored or you want to try to make some more money, or maybe, your kids at home, whatever. It's plenty of ways to make money, and YouTube is a good platform to brand yourself and put yourself out there. All right. Or whatever business model that you're in. So first things first, you want to actually have a niche or a niche. All right. Remember this, there's riches in the niches. Okay. So what does that mean? So pretty much you want to have a specific topic or area that you're talking about, because it's going to build a more personable relationship. It's going to make whoever is on the other end, say the consumer on the other end, just gonna make them be more personable to the channel and just build that relationship up with the channel. And they know when they come to the channel, this is what I'm coming to get. Okay. So with that being said, you could be somebody who actually talks about health. Okay. And if you talk about health, now that's just sort of broad, right? So what if we need to narrow it down. So if we narrow it down, we can say, okay, I want to talk about vegan lifestyle. I want to talk about a keto lifestyle. I want to talk about losing weight. I want to talk about bulking and gaining weight. All right. I want to talk about, for anybody who's talking about plastic surgery, it's so many different levels. You can be a naturopathic or holistic person, teaching people ways to provide remedies for their body. Like, health is a very important topic right now, especially with everything going on. People want to ensure that they have an optimal body. All right. That can, do what it's supposed to do, operate what it's supposed to operate, and fend off stuff that's not supposed to be, keeping it all hemmed up or whatnot. So you can do that. Now, like I said, riches and niches, always remember that. So I'm not telling you not to go make a broad channel, do whatever you want to do. It's just when it comes to monetizing the channel, building a relationship with consumers, people are going to want to see a certain type of thing. And that's what that's what makes that channel thrive in that focused area. All right. The next thing actually is, when you do get the niche and everything, when you start jumping out there, provide massive value. Okay. So provide massive value, to that audience. All right. You want to cater to that audience. What does the audience want? And the way to actually do more research on that is like you find top channels, or areas that's in that same niche that you want to tap into. And it's very simple. You go to their channel, you go look at their YouTube thumbnails, you go look at their comments, you go look up their descriptions. Okay. You can go to socialblade.com to get more insight on them. All right. You can use tools like vidIQ to see what their tags are. Okay. What are the keywords that they're putting in their video? How are their titles? All right. You can use keywords everywhere, or Uber suggest. All right. To just to see how many searches a month something is getting. So those type of things will actually let you know, okay, what type of value do I need to be providing, and who am I competing with, so I can put myself, model success, or even do what they do a little bit better. How can I make it different? All right. So first thing first, find you a niche. Okay. Next time when you got that niche locked down, start creating you some content. All right. And do some research to provide massive value in that area. Now, after that, I would say, after you found your niche, all right, you've done your research and you know the type of value you need to provide. Now it's time for you to hit the ground running and be very, very consistent. All right. So if you're familiar with my channel, you can go back and look. I was kind of posting videos once a month, once here and there. And I tried to go out, because I wanted to always learn how to make money online. So I tried to go out and get a couple of affiliate marketing, tap into some of that stuff. And some of them have requirements as far as websites, traffic, things like that. And, I got turned down for one, and it literally told me in email, your channel or brand or whatever is not consistent enough. So that gave me the fire to say, you know what? there's no way I make one video a week, and that one video a week, you know, I wanted to do more than that. So it's like, let me do 2 videos a week. And then you realize that, okay, I can actually do this, making my business to try to do a video every day. All right. So if you're sitting around and you're not doing anything right now, yes, doing a YouTube channel would take some time. But let me tell you, hindsight, now that I'm looking at the different ventures that I've done as far as building that YouTube channel up, there's a couple ways you can do it. But one, if you're doing it on the free tip, then you gotta beat the algorithm up. And I was like, man, when I just at one point in time, I didn't have much to do. I was like, man, I could have just been sitting home, making 3 or 4 YouTube videos every day and posting them every day. If not, at least taking 1 or 2 days to record a bunch of videos and then put them out, schedule them to upload every day. And that's how you beat up the algorithm. So you can tell the people that are really hungry out here, that are making videos every day, going live every day. All right. And, ultimately, if they do all of these things and they're very consistent, you're going to learn different things and you're going to grow. And ultimately, boom, next thing you know, your channel will be monetized and, you'll have merchandise and different things like that. You build up your following, you build up your tribe, and, you'll be above and beyond where I'm at. But you got to take that blueprint and just run with it. OK, now, I know some of you are probably saying that you don't want to get in front of camera. OK, I know a lot of people say, I don't like being in front of camera. It's not who I am. I want to be honest with you. All right. I'm personable. I moved around a lot as a child, so I can get acclimated, to different people, different situations. But naturally, I'm really an introvert, and I like to just be to myself. All right. But when I realized that if I want to start getting out here, whether it was me getting into real estate or whether it's me, making money online or getting on YouTube or doing these different things, I had to pop out of my shell and realize if I want my pockets to change, I want my situation to change, I want my business to thrive, then I'm going to have to do some things that I'm not used to. So I'm going to have to unlearn some old habits, relearn some new habits, and, step into being the best version of myself. So that's all I'm saying is sometimes you want things to flow and be in alignment, but you want to get comfortable being uncomfortable. And it is what it is. You're going to find your tribe. But I will say this, there are plenty of ways to make a YouTube channel and provide value without having to put yourself in front of the camera. Okay, there are plenty of people that all they do is screen record and show you something. People that do reviews, different things like that. But I'm gonna just give y'all one to go check out. Okay, so here's something simple. All right, when you go search something like meditation music, Zen music, music to help me sleep, white noise. Okay, when you go look up these different things, some of them are gonna have millions of views, hundreds and thousands of views, and thousands of views. Okay, so it'll behoove you to find somewhere where you can find copyright free sounds. All right. And when you have copyright free sounds and copyright free music, all you have to do is upload, figure out how to upload those sounds into MP4 files. OK. And you can just be a channel that creates soothing sounds for people that are trying to study or for people that are trying to sleep. A lot of people like to listen to white noise. So for all the parents out there, I'm pretty sure that you all have used YouTube or something like along the lines to help, put your child to sleep. When it comes to, white noise sounds, soothing sounds, shh sounds. So you could be somebody that puts that type of stuff together with your own content as far as like, your own audio, or you can look up copyright free places to use their audio and do it like that. But the only thing is, you're going to have to really be very consistent, but you really can use those simple things. All right. If y'all want me to give y'all some more insight on how to do that or put something together to help y'all, then I will. So I made this video just to, give my insight on hitting 10K and what has helped me grow a YouTube channel, just some simple tips. But I really just want to say thank y'all for tapping in with me. All right. So for the family, y'all already know, look, if y'all want to tap in and see what the foundation is to get y'all business started, I got a course below to help y'all get set up for your business to get funded. All right. I also got a link below if you want to tap in with me and get a one-on-one consultation. All right, it's a discounted price. The course is $49.97. It's gonna change after the New Year's. It's gonna go up. So get it while the cost is where it's at right now. You know what I mean? Not time to be playing around. And with that being said, y'all already know, check out nav.com if you want free business credit monitoring and some more tips. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
I got green juice, cucumber, celery, apple. If I want a little sweeter, I might use a pineapple. Green juice.